this video, we will discuss about the articles what we left in the fundamental rights. Generally, people will neglect these articles 12, 13, 33, 34, 35. But those articles are very important in exam point of view. So, coming to the article 12, meaning of the state. It means it states that government and legislature of each state, that is executive and legislature of various states of India. And Article 13, law is inconsistent with the fundamental rights. It means any order or amendment or legislature or any action is inconsistent. Inconsistent means not in the same manner or different manner, or sometimes one and sometimes one. If it is like that, any amendment or legislature or action, then it is null and void. Null and void means the order will be cancelled or the order will not be considered. Coming to Article 33. The Parliament is empowered to abrogate the fundamental rights of the members of armed forces, paramilitary forces, police forces, intelligence agencies, and other related agencies. Here you know what are armed forces, right? Like Air Force, Navy, Army, and paramilitary forces like CRPF, ITBP, and BSF, Border Service Forces, and police forces, intelligence agencies, every other agencies. These forces cannot go for agitation or strike. If they go to the agitation or strike, the nation will be in risk and threaten, because these are the important forces for our nations, right? So this Article 33 says that Parliament has a right to abrogate the fundamental rights of forces. Abrogate means responsibility or duty. Generally, it means the responsibility of fundamental rights of the forces will be in the hands of the Parliament. That's it. Coming to Article 34. Restriction on fundamental rights while martial law is in force in any area within the territory of the country. Okay, for example, assume some districts of our state or some areas in a districts or anywhere. If there is a problem occur or any situation, when government cannot handle that or control that situation, then this martial law is imposed on that areas, and army get more powerful there and restrict the fundamental rights of the those citizens in that place. It means the people in that area, they cannot enjoy or get fundamental rights, and total power of that people in that area under the army. It means army only decides everything in that area. You can see here martial law in some countries. And coming to the Article 35, the Parliament makes laws to give effect to certain specified fundamental rights shall vest only in the Parliament and not in the state legislature. This Article 35 is talking about the powers of Parliament. Still now, only High Court and Supreme Court has the power to issue these writs. So this Article 35 says that the Parliament also can issue these writs and orders or etc. By this, we have completed successfully fundamental rights of the Constitution, and these are very important for exams. So don't neglect those articles. And hope you guys like this video. Please give it a like, share, and don't forget to subscribe.